Il-Prim Ministru ta' Malta, Robert Abela, għamel sejħa qawwija għal azzjoni globali kontra l-isfidi serji li tiffaċċja d-dinja u għamel dan waqt li kienet jindirizza l-Assemblea Ġenerali tal-Ġnus Magħquda fl-istat ta' New York fl-Amerika, fejn saħaq kif diversi pajjiżi li jagħmlu parti mill-istess Ġnus Magħquda qed ikunu esposti għal perikli kbar minħabba dawn l-isfidi serji. Quddiem dan it-teddid, Abela saħaq li jemmen bisħieħ li hemm responsabilità fuq il-mexxejja biex dawn jażlu it-triq tal-perseveranza u mhux iċedu għad-disperazzjoni.
The populations of far too many of these United Nations face the greatest perils. The gravity of these threats is such that we, as leaders from across the globe, are confronted with a choice of two paths. We can choose the path of despair, dejectedly deciding that it is impossible to make a difference, or we can choose the path of persistence.
Waqt li appella għal sforzi persistenti biex jiġu riżolti konflitti, partikolarment il-gwerra li hemm f'Gaza, il-Libja u l-Ukrajna, il-Prim Ministru Malti esprima r-rieda u determinazzjoni ta' Malta li tkompli tkun attiva u responsabbli fit-twettiq ta' dmirijiet tagħha fuq livell globali. Propju dwar dan, Dr. Abela qal li Malta qatt mi se toqgħod lura u qatt mi se tkun passiva quddiem sitwazzjonijiet diffiċli.
Malta will never sit back. Malta will never wring hands. Malta will never leave it to others. Yes, Malta will always be realistic. But Malta will always remain committed to multilateralism. When the perils are at their greatest, the need to work together is at its greatest.
Fid-diskors tiegħu, il-Prim Ministru għamel sejħa wkoll għal azzjoni globali urġenti dwar il-bidla fil-klima. Dr. Abela enfasizza ħtieġa li jittieħdu passi prattiċi u innovattivi biex jżommu l-ambjent marittimu b'saħħtu. Hawn, fost l-oħrajn, għamel referenza għal proġett ta' suċċess li wettaq pajjiżna, dak tax-shore-to-ship.
I am delighted at the success Malta's new shore-to-ship initiative is having. The stunning Grand Harbour in the capital city of Malta, which is Valletta, is a magnet for cruise ships. But while docked in berth, they can produce serious amounts of pollutions if relying on their engines in the confined space. So shore-to-ship is installing onshore power supply alongside the quays, which are used by cruise ships, meaning that they can switch off their engines and help reduce pollution in this most special of places by around 90%.
Il-Prim Ministru Robert Abela tebb messaġġ u appell ċar dak li inkoraġġix il-mexxejja dinjin biex ma jaqtawx qalbhom quddiem id-diffikultajiet u l-ostakli iżda li jkomplu jaħdmu b'determinazzjoni għal futur aħjar.
The consequences are too severe, so let us make that choice. Let us today recommit as a United Nations. Let us affirm the path of persistence, and no matter how tough the going, let us enter the 80th year of this United Nations with the simple goal in our head and in our hearts. Let us now, more than ever, never give up believing that tomorrow can and must be better than today. Thank you.